Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter, lawnmower blade, and replace your oil. Alright, so for replacing the blade, you'll take a ratchet or a wrench, whichever one fits this bolt is the one you'll use. Then you'll take a piece of wood and lodge it in place behind this blade. Once it's tightly secured, you'll take your ratchet and you'll start unscrewing. What the wood piece does is it holds the blade in place so it doesn't move on you when you're unscrewing. Then once you see this loosen and you can move it, then you will take your ratchet off and hand screw it. Now that it is unscrewed, you will take the bolt and you'll pull it out, and then you'll have two pieces. You have the actual blade, and then you'll have this piece. You want to keep both, but you'll only be sharpening this one. Now, for putting the blade back in place, you'll take your bolt, and then the outside cover. Oops. And then you'll put the bolt through the outside cover, and then you'll take your blade, and you'll put it through the middle hole, and then you'll put this whole thing onto the main piece. Then hand tighten it until it's tight. Now that it's tight, you can take your ratchet and you'll put it into the tighten, and you'll take your wood piece and put it on the right side, and then you'll tighten it. Once it's tightened to the point where you can't tighten it anymore, that's when you know that your lawnmower blade is tightly in place. For replacing the air filter, you'll look for something that looks like a cover that's not much bigger than your hand, and then you'll unclip it, and inside of here is the air filter. You can just pull it out, and as you can see, mine is got a bunch of fuzz and grass inside of it, and now you can just either replace it or you'll clean it. To clean your air filter, you'll take a shop vac or an air compressor, and you'll shoot air through these two little holes to get all the grass and dust out. Then you can take the shop vac and use the vacuum half to suck out all the grass and cotton. Now you'll just grab your air filter, pop this black piece off, and then line up these two holes with the two buttons. You'll push it in place and then take your black cover and put it back on. So for replacing the oil on a mower, you'll come over to the oil cap, you'll unscrew it a tad, and then it should just pop out. There we go. And then on the end of this, there is a little bit of oil. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a little guide on the end, there should be, telling you how much to fill it up. So as you can see, ours is at the perfect level. There's a little arrow that tells you where to fill it up to. But if yours isn't at the right level, you will just take some small engine oil and you'll dump it in here until that little arrow has been reached. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.